Can you actually make money with Survey Junkie? I'm not going to oversell it to you, and I'm not going to dismiss it either. I tested it, looked at real numbers, and, well, here's the honest picture. So what it is first, Survey Junkie is one of the biggest paid survey platforms out there. Over 20 million members, more than $76 million paid out since it launched. It is available in the US, Canada, and Australia. It's free to join. You just need to be 18 or older. You sign up with your email. You complete a short profile questionnaire, and surveys start showing up on your dashboard. The profile step is important, though. The more complete your profile, the better the surveys you get matched to, and that directly affects how much you can earn. So do not skip it. Do not skip over questions, and do not, rush through them. And once you're in, the experience is clean. Surveys show you the payout, the estimated time, and a points per minute calculation, so you can see at a glance whether something is worth your time or not. Now, that last feature is genuinely useful and something most survey platforms don't bother with. So in that case, Survey is good. Survey Junkie is good. Now, this is their Instagram page. I suggest that you follow it because there's always going to be these giveaways, and you can be one of the first people that can just follow them and be on top of it, because you can get some free points here, and the money works that way. So you earn points. 500 points equals $5. Surveys typically pay anywhere from 15 cents to $4. Most will land in like $0.50 to $2 range. Higher paying ones do appear, occasionally like $3 to $4, but they don't stick around long. As you can see, the reviews in Trustpilot are, well, it's decent, 3.6 out of 5. And cash out options are solid. You've got PayPal, you've got bank transfer, prepaid Visa card, you've got gift cards to places like Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, Target, and Sephora. And the Visa gift card option actually processes instantly, which is rare, really rare in this space. PayPal usually arrives the same day. Bank transfers take 2 to 4 days, and minimum cash out is $5, which is genuinely low for survey platforms. And your points never expire as long as you log in and complete at least one survey every 12 months. So that's every year you have to complete at least one survey in order to keep your points. So how much you can actually earn? This is the part most reviews either exaggerate or completely bury. The honest hourly rate on Survey Junkie is $2 to $6 per hour. One independent tester that I found, he or she completed 8 surveys in 2.5 hours and earned $5. So that's like $2 per hour. Another user who just cherry-picked only the highest paying surveys reported up to $12 per hour, but that second scenario depends on those high-value surveys actually being available, and they aren't always. If you complete 3 surveys a day consistently, you can expect around $40 to $45 a month, and that aligns with multiple independent reports and with what Survey Junkie themselves say. Dedicated users who also use extra features can push toward like $50 to $100 a month, but monthly, realistically, casual users can get anywhere from $5 to $20, regular daily users $15 to $50, and dedicated users using all available features anywhere between $50 to $100. Now, that's the real range, not $500 a month, not $10 an hour on average, but it's real money for time you'd probably spend scrolling away. I know that's what I do, right? Now, there are some features that actually help us. Survey Junkie has added a few things recently that genuinely improve how much you can earn. The first is the Serve to Earn feature. Now it's called SJ Pulse. You download the browser extension and the desktop app, which shares data with Survey Junkie about the ads you see and websites you visit. And in exchange, you unlock 50% more high-paying surveys and earn passive bonus points just for having it installed. Passive earnings from this feature alone run around $5 to $10 a month without doing anything extra. And, that trade-off, sharing browsing data for more money, is worth knowing before you opt in. Some people aren't fine with it. Some are fine with it, and that's a personal call. The second feature worth knowing is the sign-up bonus structure. When you first join, you can pick up easy points fast. 25 points just for signing up, 25 points for confirming your email, 50 points for completing your profile. You get 100 points for installing the browser extension, 100 points for installing the desktop app. That's like 300 points, like $3 before you answered a single survey. Considering the cash out minimum is $5, you're over halfway there just from that setup. Now, the downsides, well, this is what's frustrating because there is stuff. Disqualifications. Yes, you start a survey, you answer a few questions, and then get booted because you don't meet the criteria. Survey Junkie is better than most platforms at reducing this, but it still happens. One review that I found, I did a lot of research on Reddit as well. Well, they clocked a 20% qualification rate on sessions. It's annoying. It comes with the territory of survey sites. Survey Junkie is only available in the US, Canada, and Australia. And if you're outside those countries, it's not for you. And the earning ceiling is just genuinely low. Even at maximum effort, like $50 to $100 per month, that's fine if you're treating it as a spare time money. It's not fine if you're hoping to replace income. One more thing, do not use VPN to access Survey Junkie from some country that it's not allowed. It's against their rules, and your account will be banned. It's not worth the risk. You will essentially just lose your time. Now, how to get the most out of it? Well, if you're going to use Survey Junkie, here's how to actually maximize what you earn. First of all, as I've told you, complete your profile fully, every section. This is the single biggest factor in how many relevant surveys you get matched to. Second, you use the points per minute calculation. Skip surveys with a poor ratio. A 15-minute survey paying 10 points is 40 cents per hour. Not worth it. Focus on anything above 5 to 6 points per minute. And third, check your account on Mondays. That's when the most new surveys get added. Most people don't know this. Fourth, download the extension and desktop app for SJ Pulse passive bonuses. Fifth, just set a realistic target. $15 a week or $50 a month. Something you can actually hit. It keeps you consistent without burning out on low-paying surveys. And lastly, just stack it with some other platforms when Survey Junkie runs dry. Prolific, maybe branded surveys are both solid, and you can have accounts on multiple platforms at once. It's allowed. So my honest opinion on this one right now is that, well, Survey Junkie is legit. It pays. The interface is clean and it's better than it used to be, but let me be straight with you. The effective hourly rate is below minimum wage in most places. The best realistic monthly income is $50 to $100 if you're dedicated and if you're using all the features. It's coffee money, all right? Grocery money, a small buffer. It's not a business. It's not a side hustle you build a plan around. It's not something you can scale. It is something you do while you're already doing something else. If that's what you're looking for, Survey Junkie is one of the better platforms to do it with. So yeah, you can pass time with it. You can earn a few dollars here and there, but it's not life-changing money. If you have that spare time, go ahead, try it out, and it's going to be good to you. Just go in with realistic expectations, all right? So that's going to be it for today. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.